Why are you broke? So tell me, why are you broke? In this video, I am going to show you how you can make money doing simple social media tasks. Yes, these websites will pay you to do simple tasks, just like to subscribe to a YouTube channel, to follow someone on social media, to join a Telegram group, or just to retweet. It is that easy. You are going to earn in USDT for every task you do. Before we go on, I would like to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video just like this one. Stay with me. All right, guys. So the first thing you want to do is click on the link in the description. When you click on the link, it's going to take you to this page right here. So just click on this image right here. You can see it says make money doing tasks. Just click on this. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to the website. So as you can see, it says Daniel invites you to join She Industry. You get one CDSP free when you complete the registration. So what this means right here is that you are clicking on my invite link and I'm inviting you to join this website so you can start earning money as well. So you click on accept invite. When you click on accept invite, you just have to fill in these details. You can see it says email address, first name, last name, your email address. You enter the first name is your name, and the last name is your surname. And username, you have to create a username and a password as well. So when you are done, you click on create account. You can also sign up with your Google account, at your Gmail account, whichever way you feel is best for you. So when you are done creating an account, you proceed to click on the login page and you log in. Don't forget that they will send you an email so that you can confirm your email. So just check your email box to click on the confirmation link and then come back here to log in. So after logging in, it's going to take you to a page like this. So after you log in, it's going to take you to a page like this. So you can see, say wallet balance 7.15. That's because I just started working on this site. So what you want to do here is click on the task icon. So when you click on task, you can see there are different things you can do. It says engage to earn, predict to earn, learn to earn, refer to earn. But the easiest thing for you to do here is to engage to earn and to refer to earn. So refer to earn simply means that you refer someone or someone joins using your referral link and you get points or you get coin. So when you click on share my link, you share your link to your friends and each person that joins using your link will get some point. And yes, that's not the only way to earn. In fact, if you don't want to refer anyone, you can still earn using this website. So what you want to do is go back and click on engage to earn. When you click on engage to earn, as you can see, there are a lot of tasks you can do here to make money. You can see this one says download the Planet Network mobile app and you get 5 points. The first one says X engagement light and you get 1.5 points. Another one says X Estate X LinkedIn engagement task. Another one says Estate X Twitter engagement task. Okay, let's try to participate in this Twitter engagement task because Twitter task seems to be one of the easiest tasks to perform. It says Estate X Twitter engagement task. They need 500 participants to participate in this task, and only 111 people have participated. So as you can see, there are a lot of tasks on this platform. So to participate on this task, you need to read the description. As you can see, it says, like the post, do not comment. Submit a screenshot or screenshots to prove that you have completed the task. So to start the task, just click on start task, right? And that's taking me to my Twitter account. And don't forget, the instruction says, like the post, do not comment. So all I have to do is like this post and take a screenshot of it to show that I have liked the post. Then I need to come back here and upload that screenshot. It says submit. So I click on submit, select the image, upload screenshots. You can see it's loading. Alright, you can see it has been submitted. You can see it says task pending submission. So you can see I've submitted my screenshots and it is showing pending. So I just have to wait for them to approve this task because they are going to confirm if you really did that task. So I just have to wait and it will only take a few minutes to maybe an hour or 2 hours for them to approve this task. And and immediately they approve this task, your balance will appear in your wallets. So this task, don't forget, this task is doing for 1 point. So for each task you perform, they are going to give you the stated number of coin. So you can see it's still saying pending. These are some other tasks I've completed. You can see the one at the bottom here says join Telegram channel completed. I got 2 coin, and you can see I've done some other ones that are pending. This MAI Twitter engagement, as you can see, is completed. So what you want to do is just go to engage to earn, scroll through the task, and try to perform as many as possible. This can give you a reasonable amount of money because this CDS coin can be converted to USDT, which you can in turn convert to cash. So if you go to your wallet, you see your earnings, and you can see the cash out button is right here. Convert to crypto, convert to fiat, convert to NFT. But as you can see, fiat and NFT is showing coming soon. That is, it is not available yet, but you can use the crypto option to withdraw USDT to your crypto wallet. You can see it's not difficult. So you just have to select your USDT network, which is the Binance Smart Chain, and then enter your USDT wallet address and click on proceed. That's all. It is not difficult at all. So with this site, you can make some reasonable earnings and say no to brokenness, because why being broke when you can earn some coin doing simple tasks like this? I hope you find this video interesting, guys. If you did, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I drop more videos just like this one. See you in my next video.